friends, this is Sadie Bears in a snow cave, here to tell you cool facts about blizzard. A blizzard is a dangerous snowstorm that is created when there's lots of snow and winds are over 35 miles an hour. Blizzards can also happen when the wind picks up the snow and blows it all around. It can create huge mountains of snow. That's what's happening in Buffalo right now. There's 7 feet of snow. Whoa, that's a lot of snow. There have been many bad blizzards in history. One bad blizzard is called the School Children's Blizzard. There were 235 deaths. Many of the deaths were children walking home from school. In the blizzard of 1977, there were huge mountains of snow. Some were 30 feet tall. The wind was 70 miles an hour. In 1979, there was a massive blizzard in Chicago. Kids like my mom had to walk through huge piles of snow to get to school and back. I'm not sure why they had school that day. If you get stuck in a blizzard, you could get frostbite or hypothermia, which is when your body gets so cold that it could shut down. To avoid this, drink water, eat food, and move around a lot. You can also build a snow cave to block the winds, like I'm doing right now. I hope you're listening, because if you get stuck in a blizzard, you'll know what to do. After all, Chicago gets a lot of snow. Now that you've learned about blizzards, how about you turn to someone by you at your table and tell them something interesting you learned. Bye-bye.
I need a snow day. I need a